Hi, this is Vincent for Lowry Research with this week's Stocks Vlog.
This week's video focuses on identifying stocks that recently experienced a strong jolt of demand, the type of demand that is known to extend or reignite patterns of relative strength. The Buys, Sells, and Alerts tab off the homepage of the Lowry website provides an array of different self-directed prepackaged stock screen lists on both the Buys and Sells and Alerts categories pages. One of the most effective alert categories when it comes to identifying stocks experiencing a kickstart of strong demand is the category for volume 150% greater than the 20-day moving average of volume on a price rally. In addition to finding idiosyncratic resurgences of demand, this category also contains stocks surging ahead of their respective groups during a leadership rotation. However, being only a price and volume alert category, further screening is necessary to get the most out of this prepackaged screen. In this case, applying a simple filter for stocks with power ratings above 80, an exceptionally high reading relative to the list's average of 55, helps to separate the stocks with the strongest demand profiles and the best potential to outperform. This also narrowed our list of results to 13, making for a manageable analysis process when paging through them using the View Charts feature. While we chose a basic power rating filter, Lowry's customizable filter and sort functionality is able to narrow any list on the website down to only the most deserving based on whatever the criteria we set from dozens of factors. When paging through the charts in succession using the View Charts tool, we pay particular attention to the trends of price, demand, and demand relative strength. The most attractive stocks for new buying will have established uptrends in all three factors. First, according to Lowry Power Rating with a maximum score of 99, is Monarch Casino and Resort, ticker MCRI. Its recent price jump was accompanied by an impressive 17-point gain in power rating over the last 5 days. Importantly, this price and demand rise comes just after a successful test of a multi-year breakout around the $55 level, and in conjunction with a strong earnings report on February 24th. This burst of investor demand, combined with a consistently high power rating relative strength score, which measures the stock's power rating against our universe of stocks, suggests a reacceleration of the stock's intermediate-term uptrend is underway. Next, with a current weekly power rating of 98 and a 14.5-day power rating surge, is Wintrust Financial, ticker WTFC. In addition to the clear breakout from a multi-year downtrend in recent months, the stock, which had spent much of the last 3 years demonstrating relative weakness, has reversed that trend as well when its power rating relative strength crossed above the zero line. This action, taken together with the September cross of its 20-day moving average for price above its 150-day moving average, and its October cross of its 20-day moving average for power rating above its 150-day moving average, completed the ingredients of the Lowry turnaround trinity. These conditions often produce many months of outperformance for a stock, and this week's strong burst of demand again acts to reaffirm that likelihood. Finally, from the energy complex, with a nearly 11% yield and a current power rating of 86, is Oasis Midstream Partners, OMP. Beyond the recent jump in price and power rating, this stock has been in a recovery phase turned uptrend since the whole market bottom last March, well before the vast majority of energy sector stocks. This demonstrates relative strength against its sector, and the rising trend of its power rating relative strength from the same point reflects its demand outperformance relative to the entire Lowry stock universe. The more recent early November cross of the power rating relative strength score into the positive territory was an indication that the trend of outperformance was likely to continue on an intermediate-term basis.
That's all for this week. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to contact us by emailing info@lowryresearch.com. This is Vincent Randazzo. Thank you, be well, and stay tuned.